Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to go over a few of the things that I keep in my loom knitting bag that I feel are essentials. So let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to go over the few items that I like to keep in my loom knitting bag. Typically, when you buy a loom, they will come with a loom hook. This particular one is from KB Looms. This one comes with the looms that you purchase. They pretty much have one with every loom, with the exception of maybe how it's made. Some may be this plastic, some may be different colors, that kind of thing. Normally when you buy one from a big box store, although KB Looms is still a small business, if you will, you can get their products in big box stores such as Hobby Lobby and Joann's. You can also purchase from them directly from their website. Something else that I like to keep in my loom knitting bag are some sort of stitch markers. These are also from KB Looms. They're kind of like a stretchy silicone type stitch marker. I really like these. You don't have to use a stitch marker like this. You can use the little rubber bands from the Dollar Tree. You can mark your loom with painter's tape and write the stitch repeat out. There's many different ways that you can mark the loom. I just personally prefer the stitch markers unless it's a very huge project and I don't, want to have stitch markers completely all over the loom. Next thing, and this is with any fiber arts, you definitely want a pair of scissors, a good pair of scissors. I would suggest some sort of row counter, a way for you to keep track of where you are, even if it's just a little notebook where you write down hash marks. However you keep track of your rows is perfectly up to you. I just prefer the row counters, and I have one that I keep with each project. If you're going to do socks, I would suggest getting some sort of sock ruler. This definitely comes in handy for a way to measure your socks. Now, in my bag personally, I have a loom hook from Cindy Wood Crafts. It has this little pencil grip here and this little like rubber cylinder. And once this warms up, you can actually pull this part up or down, which I really like that feature. So you can make your actual hook longer. My other go-to loom hooks are these from Steve of Artisanal Turnings on Etsy. These are a resin ergonomic type hook, and he's got different styles and different colors. I really like the way they fit in my hand because I hold the loom hook exactly the same way as I do my crochet hook, so it fits in there perfectly. Another one on the market, another ergonomic hook, is this one by KB Looms. And there's their website in case you're interested, knittingboard.com. So, these are the essentials that I feel, well, you know, a pen and a highlighter if you like to mark off your patterns, that kind of thing. And then I got some scrap yarn. But these are the few items that I feel are essential to have in your loom knitting arsenal. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And until next time, happy looming, guys. Bye.